Okay, so here we have a little Sebenza video. This is a regular customer of ours, and basically he doesn't like how shiny the stock blade is, especially with how dark this handle is. The Sebenzas come in multiple different styles, and this just happens to be a dark handle with the shiny blade. And so we are gonna acid etch all of it, and we'll kind of mute out the initials. He likes really classic, simple knives, so he doesn't necessarily like having the Chris Reeves logo. He doesn't like how it pops on there. So we're gonna acid wash all of this, and then we're gonna do a stone wash to it to give it that same kind of look, but a darker version of this. So I've got it taken apart. I've got all his parts in a little container, and we will acid wash this today, and then we will stone wash it as well, and I'll take some video of that, and then I'll get it all back together and show you what it looks like after. All right. Okay, so here we have the now acid washed Sebenza. The blade looks nice. It didn't etch perfectly, but that's okay because we're about to stone wash it. Just wanted to give you like a little before and after. I am surprised that the blue anodizing here stayed on. That's rather cool. This titanium does not etch with ferric chloride, so I tried a couple other things and it got a little bit darker than what it was. So I'm gonna stone wash it and see how it comes out, and if Colin wants it to go darker, I will figure out how to get it darker. Otherwise, it's looking better already, and we're liking the look of it, so I'm gonna go stone wash it and show you pictures in just a second. Okay, here we are pre-assembly. I like it. We'll see what Colin thinks. And here we are all done. So you can see the nice stone wash on the blade. The titanium doesn't stone wash at the same rate, but it still took a little bit of it. Same with the pocket clip. So I love it, and we'll see what Colin thinks about it. And there we go. Little project, all done. Have a great day.